If you have a good circle of friends when you are young, your friends are good people, you will succeed in life, and if you die, you will go to Jannah in the same group. Allah says when the people of Jannah will go to Jannah, they will go to Jannah in the groups whom they were. Subhanallah. You go with your group, you're either going to Jannah or Jahannam. The next time you are with your group of friends and you're sitting and laughing, ask yourself, which way do you think we are going to go? You will know. It's easy to tell. Which way are you going? If there's good happening, inshallah you go to Jannah. And if there's evil happening, you can see the same faces. One day there you're going to see the same faces again.
A man needs to know, and a woman, when to be lenient, when to be a little bit harder, when to be a bit harsh, when to forgive, when to hold things, and so on. It's a beautiful balance. I believe that's what Islam would do to anyone who's genuine in learning. It would create a balance. It's not all about being, so I'm the king, I'm the boss, and that's me. No one would like you in that case, because why? It's not the case.
Would regulate you towards that wasat.
You need the middle path. You are a king, but if only you have a queen.
When we hear something very good, we're quick to tell everyone. When we hear something bad, we're quick to tell everyone, not realizing some people might destroy your goodness because you told them. And some people might celebrate at the loss or the fear you have, and they might cause greater harm against you because you told them. You did not know how to process the news that you got. So if you want comfort, you can avoid the crisis by not telling everyone everything. When you have a bad habit of this nature, and you want to eradicate it, and you have told yourself no more, a day will come when you might slip up again, right? You might drop again, because you know what? You're a human. On that day, don't think, I blew it, that's it, now I'm back to my old ways. You're not. You're not back to your old ways. No. If you blew it one day, at least you did better. You used to do it every day before. Now it happened today, but you're going to turn back to Allah immediately and say you seek forgiveness once again, and you're not going to do it again, and you stop it. So the gap between your falling would be bigger and bigger until a day will come when you will totally stop it. I want to tell you, 1 inch of paint on your nails, is that more important than your link with Allah? If it is, well, you've chosen. And if Allah is more important than 1 inch of paint on your nails, then you know what? Use an alternative, or use something that you can remove totally and gone. But you don't need to risk your relationship with Allah in order to achieve 1 inch of paint on your nails.